Hello everybody and welcome to the Daily Transmission. Today we've got something different for you. We're going to give you a tour of the shop. So January 2021 marks our 5th anniversary that Combe Valley Campers has been open. And what better time than to give you a workshop tour. We have been in this property for just over 3 years. I think it was October 2017 we came into this space. We were, funnily enough, the other side of that wall when we first started. So if you've seen on our social media recently a picture of me in my first workshop, it was just the other side of that wall. But let me just show you around here. We have currently got a VW T3 that's being finished. Dan is very busy just wiring in some of the speakers and the leisure wiring in here. This is our space, but we've got the black sheeting up for good reason. I'll show you that in a minute. We also have a T5.1 that we're doing a day van conversion on. And we have, if you can just see in the corner, we've got a Chevrolet that is in the process of being rebuilt. We have our storeroom in the corner, and behind me is the kitchen and the crew room, but I'll show you that last. I will take you upstairs to the office. Mind your step, it's a little steep. So glad we got one of these. Real enamel sign. It's a remanufactured one, and if you want one, message down below or leave a comment down below and I'll tell you where you can buy one of those. They're great. So the mezzanine up here has been one of a few things. When I first moved in, I couldn't afford the entire unit itself, so I rented this room and this room out to David Powell, who does our upholstery. He's now next door, but this was his workshop and that was my office originally. But this, maybe 3 months ago, was our storeroom. Less than that, I think December we rebuilt this. This was our storeroom and we've completely rebuilt it into our office. And Dan's here as well. You right? And then Izzy's in the corner, gives away.
Hello. Izzy
is doing all our merchandise at the moment. She's doing our social media and we've been making some TikToks today as well. But when it's at the end of a long day, or when we're talking about ideas and everything else, this is the place where we like to come and chill. And to be honest, this is one of the main reasons we completely reconfigured this place. Is because we had nowhere else to fit the sofa, so we completely rejigged the entire place just to fit this big sofa in. If you're watching a daily transmission, this is where it's all being planned at the moment. We're having to plan down to potentially March. So all the daily transmission videos are being planned right there, which is great, really. So heading downstairs, this room here, this is going to be our new studio. Like I said to you before, it has been lots of rooms. It's currently a storeroom. Bit of a mess, bit of a shame to be honest. But that will very soon be our new studio for podcasting and everything else. So coming downstairs, you can see we've got a really nice view of the workshop. We've got lots of tat up there as well. But it's sort of trinkets we've collected over the years. Heading on now to the back of the shop, we've got our cool wall. It's not really, it's a bit of a dumping ground for our stickers. All the people who we associate with, work with, and things that we just love, and car shows we've been to, end up on this door. So if you've got a sticker you want to put on there, send it our way and we will stick it on there. So into our crew room, and you follow him?
Oh, can't leave me alone for 2 minutes.
Alright, so Dan's in here as well, busy doing the washing up. But this is one of the only rooms we can actually keep warm in this place. So it's where we can dry all our microfiber towels after cleaning stuff. We've got a little toilet in there, and it's where we all sit down and have lunch together as well. Nice little space, a real bonus to have in the workshop. And the last thing I want to show you is actually where we do all of the work. At the moment, it is cordoned off, like I showed you, with all of that black sheeting. And it's because, I'll take you in here, it's where we're filming our podcasts at the moment. We don't have any other space to do it, and we can't keep it warm any other way than to put this black sheeting up. So, if you've seen any of our videos, you will know that all the work we do is on one of these 2 tables, and luckily these tables that we work on you can move around, but to make it all look really, really nice, we put some carpet on the top of it, put the mics in, Ali's got his nice lights in, and we just make it into a nice warm space. so we can do our podcasts. Now all we need to do is have somebody to podcast with. Dan, where are you? Oh, what? You've still got the washing up. That's not what we want to do.
Oh.
Just wanted to have a quick chat with everybody about the podcasts.
Yes, so we are now on episode 3, aren't we?
Yes.
We've done a couple.
Yeah.
It was the comparing if you should buy a camper van or build one this week.
Yeah, the pros and cons of buying a built camper van versus building your own, yeah. But what a cool little place this is. It's completely different to what we do day to day. Earlier this morning, this was being used to do a bit of painting, a bit of wiring or whatever, and then we completely transformed the place, make it all look a bit pretty, just for podcasting, just so we can enjoy it. But very soon we'll have upstairs done, won't we? So we can have a permanent home for the podcast, so we don't have to spend hours setting it up and tearing it down every day, because we should normally use this space for working, and we can keep it warm up there.
Yeah, it's a little bit chilly down there, isn't it?
But with Ali's brilliant lights and all of his equipment, we can record and film a really nice podcast. And that's about it for today. I wanted to say thank you for everybody, Dan for being everywhere all at the same time. How did you manage it?
Hiding and running.
Yeah.
Did a trip down the stairs, which I was quite proud of.
Ali, thank you once again for being a superstar, filming and editing. If you want to follow any of us on the team, you can do via social media. Combe Valley Campers is at Combe_Valley_Campers on Instagram. I am at Lee_Vanman. Dan is...
I don't know. Tell me my...
At Daniel97bar.
Yeah, I think
if
you
I remember right.
because you type it out a few times.
And Ali behind the camera is at just_Jassim. And upstairs, Izzy is at Isabella Plant Kitchen. And we will, if you didn't catch all of those, we'll either leave them on the screen or we'll put links down below in the description. But I hope you like our shop tour.
One last thing, if you haven't seen the podcast,
Yes.
it's now available on Spotify, Apple Music, your Amazon Echo, so you can ask your Alexa. So you could say, Alexa, play the Camper Van cast. Might have just got a couple of listens.
Maybe.
That. Never know, it was worth a try. And yeah, any other podcasting app, you should find it on there. So thank you.
It's good. Oh, on YouTube. This is why Ali's here, because we film all the podcasts, and we thought it'd be a really nice thing to end the day with doing a little shop tour as well. I hope you liked it. If there's anything else you want to see day to day, please be sure to leave it in the comments. And also, if you're building any vans, let us know. At us out on Instagram. Tag us on Instagram. We love to see your builds. And if you've got any other questions as well, be sure to follow us on Patreon, where you can become a member and ask any questions you like, and it'll be answered by either myself, Dan, or Izzy. And yeah, we'll help you with your build the whole way along. Well, thank you everybody for joining us, and we shall see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching this episode of The Daily Transmission. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. If you'd like to check out the playlist for this series or any other, please head down to the description where you will find a link. If you'd like to support Combe Valley Campers, head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk, where you will find links to our web store and our Patreon page. Please follow us in between episodes at our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks very much.